Hey guys, it's Corny. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, drop a comment and be part of this awesome family. I love you guys. Just stay tuned. I'll be showing you all how I achieved this look in a bit. So now, first off, I set up with my orange and dark blue eyeshadow as my base, using my Benai eyeshadow primer. So all you have to do is blend in your primer. If you don't have a blending brush, you can use your hand, that will go. So starting off, I did a little cut crease. That's just to define where to start my base from. So first off, I started with the dark blue eyeshadow, and I use the purple to make it soft a bit. Then I went into the dark blue eyeshadow again. Just blend, keep blending, blend it till something in you says stop. You just have to blend. Just keep blending. So up next, I'm still using my primer with my concealing brush. You can use anything that works fine for you, but this is just perfect. So that's my white eyeshadow. You can't really see the white eyeshadow because it's the same shade with our primer. Next is my, should I call it green or sky blue, but that's the shade I'm using. Pink, you go in with your pink eyeshadow first. Just figure out colors to use that will go. Colors you think will go. So if you watch this video to this point, can somebody please drop a comment and tell me what you think this color is? Because I don't know, I think it's sky blue and I'm still calling it green. So you all should just drop a comment and then maybe just correct me. So I'm going in with my glitter just to brighten the white eyeshadow a bit. But if you don't have white glitters, just apply more of your eyeshadow, your white eyeshadow there. It will still come out nice. So after which, you just have to clean out the concealer a bit. Use your wipes, use cotton bud. You can use anything that's wet to do it. This is my V Beauty eyeliner. It dries faster, that's why I feel comfortable using it for this video. Did I just say for this video? That's why I feel comfortable using it. For what? This look. Okay. So next you go into your eyeshadow primer. I'm still using the first primer I used earlier for our final crease. This is our final cut crease. Yeah, the final look. Stay tuned. Don't forward this video. Stay with me, and I'll show you guys how to finish this look. Blend it. Blend it. So I went straight into my purple eyeshadow. Purple. That's a different shade from the first one I used. The first one is pink. Yeah, is that lilac? The first one is pink. So straight up into my sky blue eyeshadow. Make sure those demarcations, like those lines in between the two eyeshadow, just try to fade them. Blend it in together. Blend it in. That's a different shade of pink. Is that different? That same shade of pink I use up. Yeah, same shade. Yeah, same shade. Same shade of pink. I didn't really want too much colors, so I had to deal with just 3. Eyeliner. Still using my V Beauty eyeliner. It dries faster. This is the right way to apply your eyeliner. I still have to do a video on how to apply your eyeliner properly and how to conceal it too. So if you want me to make a video on that, please drop a comment below and I'll do it. So I went on using the V Beauty eyeliner just to give my shadow a well-defined, well-finished, did I say finished? A well-defined look. So concealing my eyeliner with my EYEBROW concealer. Same concealer, same shade I use for my brows. That's the same shade I'm using to conceal my eyeliner. That's just to give it a good finishing, neat finishing. Went on fixing my lashes. I've already applied the glue on my lash, so it's just to fix it. It's that easy, very simple. Clean up the excess eyeshadow on your face using your facial wipes. This is my pore primer. Apply a bit of primer on your skin. But if you really don't have primer, it's fine. Just move on straight into your foundation. This is the Zikel foundation. EYEBROW concealer. Just blend it in gently. You don't really have to blend your concealer all over your face, just your T-zone and every other part that's needed, not all over your face. I'm already feeling myself. This is coming out so nice. So guys, if you find it very difficult to blend in your concealer, drop a comment and I'll do a video talking about how to blend in your concealer properly. Maybe I should just do a video on how to blend in your foundation and your concealer. What do you think? Just drop a comment below. So this is my Airspun, my setting powder. You can go check out my Airspun review and drop a comment there below too. Everyone needs to check out my Airspun review. That video is really doing well. So this is my Zikel powder. I'm using it to brighten my brows. I want it to pop. So use your a lighter shade of powder to brighten your brows. So I don't really want this to be looking too dark or too bright. I had to mix my dry powder, still using my Zikel powder palette. So this process, I'm still using my Zikel powder palette, but a dark shade. So no need to mix it. So I just had to use a darker shade, like 1 inch. Yeah, a bit darker than my regular, like no, my regular shade. So whenever you're about doing that, you just have to use a shade darker than your skin tone. That will go. So blending out my Airspun, I'm using a free brush, a clean brush. This brush is basically for my setting powder, so just a free brush to blend out the excess. So I went straight into my Zikel powder, Zikel blush, just a bit because my eyes is actually looking too busy. So you use the darker shade to do this, darker shade of, not really too dark. You can use your main shade just to make everything fall in place. If you know me, you know I can die for Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Guys, this shit is to die for. So guys, that's my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, using the darkest shade in the palette. Same thing under my eyebrows. I want it to pop, you know. Same shade, yeah. So my Glam Girl Fix Spray, so you guys know. Whoa, oh, how cute. Hey guys, it's Black Corny. Thanks for watching this video. I love you guys so much. I love you. See you all in my next video. Bye.